I'm going to be installing the XBULL 13,500 pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote. Got a good deal on it. They had a sale, and looked at the reviews. Everything that I saw looked like everybody liked it. I've never heard of them before, but we're gonna give it a shot. I've been itching to get that Badlands synthetic, but it never would go on sale in time, so I'm impatient. We got this trip coming up, and I want to make sure that we're prepared and everything's working correctly. So this is what we're going to install today. Opening this thing up. This is how it comes. I imagine just like any other one. So we're gonna get busy, get it done. Got the Gladiator in here. I'm gonna have to take the front clip off and adjust the wires for the aux beam lights and get it prepared to receive. So be back shortly. Okay, so here's where I'm at now. So I was able to get my paws in between the frame and the bumper to get the winch secure. I got the fair lead tightened down. We're in good shape there. I got the solenoid connected. Getting ready to run the wires. Connected up in the back. As you can see, it's all color coded. And there's instructions. I know we're men, but don't forget to read those. It's important. And then I've got my cable run for my battery. So we're going to finish it up, and then I will get back with you at the end. Now here's the final product. We got her done. Got everything in there nice and neat, strung up. Getting that grill in there was a lot of fun. It was tight. And then the wiring run underneath the hood. So I mean, it was a huge success. XBULL made it easy. I love the magnetic hook. I think that's a great idea. And thank you, XBULL. Made it very simple and very easy to do.